Hello class, how are you all? Hope you're doing great. Okay, I'm Asif, your chemistry tutor for the day, and you know what? Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is chemical bonding. Okay, we are going to discuss about chemical bonding today. Okay, before moving ahead, first of all, we should know what a chemical bond is. Okay, this word, what's a bond? Okay, so bond basically is a force. Okay, so the force which holds two atoms, molecules, or ions together. Okay, so that force which holds two atoms, molecules, or ions together, we call that as a bond. Okay, so hence chemical bond. Okay, now if we talk about matter, you know matter. Okay, matter is something which is, which has got mass and occupies some space, or we can say occupies some volume. Okay, so if we see around, everything is matter. This pen, myself, the air surrounding us, the plants, trees, everything is matter. Now this matter, if we go to the atomic level, if we go to the molecular level, yeah, or we can say if we go to the microscopic level or beyond that, so you see everything is made up of what? Atoms. Okay, everything is made up of atoms. Right. Yeah. Now, if we further go deep, now these atoms, they don't have, independent existence, we can say. Okay. Now, these atoms are also in combined forms. That means they are combined with other atoms, yes, to form molecules. Yes, what we get? We get molecules. Now, even these molecules, okay, they have, we can say, they are held with other molecules, okay, by some forces. Okay, so these forces which hold the atoms together, the molecules together, we call those forces as bonds. Okay, simply we say chemical bonds. Okay, now talking about the matter, I was talking about the matter. Let's talk about air. Okay, let's talk about oxygen we consume, we take in as as a requirement for respiration. Okay, we inhale oxygen. Now if we talk about oxygen, oxygen basically is O2, right? That means that oxygen molecule is O2. That means two oxygen atoms are combined together. Okay, so the force which holds these two oxygen atoms together is actually a bond. Okay, that's a bond. So that's what we are going to talk about today in this lecture. That is going to be the chemical bonds. Okay, right? So the force between two atoms is, or molecules or ions, is actually a chemical bond. Okay, now this bond, if we talk about this bond, it can be of many types. Okay, so generally, if we generally speak, it's, yes, it can be interatomic or intermolecular. Okay, right. Now if we further go about interatomic, it can be covalent, it can be, yes, it can be ionic, it can be coordinate. Coordinate is basically, a covalent bond only, but I will discuss it later on. Okay. Uh, and if we talk about another one, that is metallic bond. Okay, these are all interatomic bonds. Similarly, if we talk about intermolecular, these are some weak bonds. Okay, these are some, we can say, van der Waals forces of attraction. Okay, so just like we talk about the hydrogen bond. Okay, so we'll be discussing all about them later on. Okay, first we talk about the covalent one. Okay, the covalent. What is the covalent bond? Okay, so the covalent bond, basically, if we talk about the word, this word is derived from another word, that is covalence. Okay, that covalence, it means the bond formed by sharing of electrons. That means there is a sharing taking place. Okay, let's, for example, I have one hand, another hand. Okay, so they are holding this pen together. That means the sharing is taking place. Okay, they are sharing this pen, I can say, right? That means both the hands. So that bond which is taking place by sharing of electrons. Okay, yeah, so they share electrons between them, and that results in the formation of a bond, that is covalent bond. Okay, right.